Welcome to the next video. I'm going to use the heat and enjoy. I'm a bit cold at the moment, so I'm just going to warm these clothes up. I think I need to press it twice. Heat and enjoy. I'm not too sure what symbols come up here. It says heating. I've just got to leave them in for a minute or two and get the heat. I think it just blows out warm heat. I think I just stop it, just let it sink to itself, and I'll stop it when I want it done. There's not a dedicated time to this cycle, I just stop it when it needs to, because it'll just keep on going round until press start pause. And this is how this cycle works. There's no timing or anything on it, it just says heat and enjoy and heating. So I don't think it's a proper cycle this, but it's on a number 7. I'll stop this in a minute now. Yeah, I'll stop it because the window's heating up there. Ah, there we go, heat and enjoy. It says it's ready. Cool.